Yanti ibhlungu le nto leya. Ibhlungu mangabe kuukuthi wena uyayibona. Kodwa isuka ireal kulo ongayiboni. Usuka ayitshela ukuthi ulwa ngempela nento ephambi kwakhe. Foreign kanti akaboni ukuthi ulwa naye eqobo lakhe. Ukuze ashintshe le nto kumele kushintshe yena ngala. Le nto mekhohlwa iyona engayinaki. Naye yakhohlwa yena. Yabo? Bayibona le nto le. Iyona into eyenzakalayo ke empilweni zabantu le. Yona into eyenzakalayo le. They are fighting situations and circumstances externally outside of them. Yini njalo kungene iprogram yayi input. Le program ayihlaziwe kahle. Iyathathwa njengoba injalo. Yasiproduce ama output lawa ke abantu abalwa nawo. Lawa ama output abalwa nawo ama inputs lawo. Fanele ukuthi umuntu ufuna ukushintsha the finished product now instead of changing the manufacturing process, the raw materials. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelele lo changes akasho ukuthi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Ngithi yabona ke mangabe ngithi impilo ayiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Impilo ayikho fixed. Ayikho fixed. Ayikho external. Yabo? Lokho I think usuyakwazi by now. And by you trying to fight the circumstances and situations, we are just making them worse, because what you fight will always fight back. Yabo? Why? Because we are fighting with yourself. You are chasing the paper. The paper runs away. Yabo? If there is an internal discord, there is no harmony because of hlampi ukhala, hlampi fear, hlampi pride, hlampi anger, whatever negative vibration you have, that is going to reflect outside. Into mele uthi uyicheck-ke wena, check la ukuthi engqondweni yakho, where is your energy tiding? Where is it tiding up? Because there is an energetic loop. Lapho uthola ukuthi there is only one thing that revolves around ekuphatha kabi noma ekusabisayo noma there is only one thing, and that creates a very negative polarization. Yabo? Because wena umqondo wakho nje uzo reflecta leyo so state leso saleyo nto leyo okuwukuthi yona oyicabangayo noma oyisabayo noma eyi-challenge kuwena. Awazi unaka ukuthi inkinga moyiyeke iyayisolve yona isikhathi esiningi le ongakwazi ukuyisolve wena, le ongenayo capacity yokuyisolve. Kodwa khona inkinga othi umuntu uzama ukuyisolve uthola ukuthi iyakusolve back nayo. Every time you are trying to solve it, it solves you back. Yini indaba njalo? Kunento abantu abangayilaleli. They are just listening to the lower self. They are not listening to the higher self. Kunento abangayilaleli. Into abangayilaleli le, the guts and the intuitions. They don't listen to those things. They are just listening to their mind that is constantly thinking, ruminating about the past, worried about the future. That's the only thing that we listen to as people. But the fact of the matter is your mind doesn't even know what is going to happen, even in the next 5 seconds at least. It doesn't know. It's just pretending to know. It just as your mind thinks it is in control. Every time it thinks it is in control, there is a higher power. There is something else. There's something greater that is fearless that you should listen to. That is not limited by time and space. Qondo wakho uzokutshela ukuthi isikhathi siyakhambela futhi mhlambe ukubi ngasuka la ngabe content zakala. Uthola ukuthi kodwa there's like the change happens within. You don't need to change like external circumstances. Change takes place within. So iyona into enzakalayo ke le. uma ngabe ubona impilo ngazothi it's fighting with you, don't fight with life back, because we are still hitting the brick wall. It's not umucabanga nje leya nkuku naleya nje leya kade ukubona la iyoke ibe khona ipeace uma ukuthi kuyaqhubeka kulwa naleya nto okuyibona lapha, iyoke ibe khona ipeace. Angeke zibe khona ipeace, ngeke koze kubuye inkomo emadlelweni, akukho kuzogoba uphondo ngoba kula nento ukuyiyo. By the time it's fighting itself. And khona abantu abayibonayo lonto ebantwini yenzeka, bayibona nje kubantu ukuthi abantu they are terrible and miserable. Why? It's because they are fighting with themselves. They are fighting with themselves, and there are people who are benefiting ngokuthi wena ulwe nawe kanje, yabo, ulwe nama circumstances kanje. There are people who are benefiting out of that. Ukhumbule ukuthi nalabantu ababenefitayo nabo bayizithunya, bangama puppets vele, bangama puppets ezinye izinto ezingama forces angaphezulu nabo kwabo, bangama puppets awo, yabo. So ngokuthi wena ufocus kulento abafuna ukuthi ufocus kuyona, wenzela bona ukuthi bafita kulo negative energy yakho, bona bayajabula. Yazi abantu abajabula ukuthi wena impilo yakho ibhlungu, so wena ngokuthi ufita unaka lokho abafuna ukuthi ukunake vele, and lokho abafuna ukuthi ukunake kuzokufaka kwi negative polarization. Angithi ilapho vele the chaotic energy, it is what they love, it is what they like, it is what feeds them, yabo, because they are not working for the light, they are working for the dark, yabo. So uma umuntu efuna ufocus, akucabanga nje umuntu mangabe efuna ufocus kuyena irritate, and then now ufocus kuyena, by the time you are focusing kuyena untshontsha i-energy yakho lo muntu loyo, yabo, ngoba uzokutrain, uzozizwa utrain emva kalokho ngoba thothi wenza izinto ongayifuni, and wena uyacikeka, and you have to fight. Yena by that time uzojabula ngoba wena vele we are fighting yena, yona into ayifunayo, yona boost, yona ego boost yakhe le, abo uyajabula nomnikeza energy wena. So by you focusing kulento yemali as something that is of great value, uye ukufocus kuma talent, skills akho, your passions, uye ukufocus on that, uye ukufocus ekuthini be a better person, developing new habits that's in favor of into ofuna uba yona noma journey yakho, those habits that you like living in design rather than living in default, ne? Default fear, no, living in design uthi okay kuphi ekumele ukuthi ngikwenze manje, kuphi ngifuna impilo yami ibe kanjani, and then I know ukuthi I have to develop which habits ekumele ngiwadevelop, yabo. Yonke ukhiyo la ngakwena, ayikho information ye cosmos engekho kwena, yonke information ye cosmos ikwena, yonke into, everything is within you, yabo. Because even I'll still gonna do the video ukuthi how those nuclear base being created out of the quarters of the cosmos, about these 4 quarters of the cosmos, and then they are creating your nuclear base, yabo. And then ultimately your DNA strand, yabo, ukuthi yonke lento le yakhe kanjani, then you'll see ukuthi okay yonke lento le kahle kahle okay information kumina, and I am literally the universe, mina myself, my own universe, yabo. So yonke into uyicela kwena, into uyithandaza when you are God, yabo, in this fashion, you are God in the physical manifestation, and ngomthetho otheza above so below, you create your own reality. Into ukhiyela, develop ama habits, don't be lazy, develop ama habits. Uyazi ukuthi uyophumelela masekuthanda wena, develop ama habits, which are habits that you need to develop. It's not a matter of what to do, who to be, that kind of person that can attract what you want. It's a matter of who to be, yabo. What to do in order to be that person that attracts what you want, yabo. It's a matter of that. You want money, you want peace, you want freedom. Who to be? What are those habits? What are those routines that you have to develop in your life? Uyazi ukuthi kunezinto kumele ukuthi uziyeke, uyazi ukuthi kunezinto okumele ukuthi uziqale bese kushintsha i-reality, and you don't focus on the reality outside changing. No, don't be motivated by seeing things change outside. No, don't be motivated. Be motivated by sticking with the process, doing things better and better. Stick with the process. Majaha ubona izinto zishintsha lapha ngoba uma uyibona engashintshi uzophinda udiscourage ngoba you are focusing on the wrong thing. So yeah, that's it. Awe